Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm doing a shimmery purple eye with a pop of blue in my waterline. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I'm taking my Lily Lolo cream foundation in cotton. I've been using this so much recently that I'm running out of it quite quickly. But I'm just taking this on a stippling brush, buffing brush, and just blending this into the skin. And then taking the Hint Beauty concealer as always to kind of prep under my eyes and obviously cover any blemishes that I have. Then going to do a little bit of setting, so I'm taking my 100% pure bamboo powder just to set under my eyes and down my T-zone. And luckily I do my brows after my foundation, so all that foundation in my brows will disappear shortly. Okay, as always, Lily Lolo Sculpt and Glow Contour Kit, taking the sculpting side and using it as a bronzer just to give a bit of warmth to the skin. Then I'm going in with the Aether Beauty Pure Diamond highlighter today. I thought I'd switch it up and using it with a little fan brush just to give us glow to the skin. Purposely using a fan brush because it will give me less product because this is quite a blinding highlight. So I just wanted a subtle, well, not a subtle glow, but not such an intense glow. And then I'm going in with this Nabla blusher, and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but I'll have it linked down below. Just trying to use some products that I haven't used for a while. It's a nice kind of neutral tone blusher, so nothing too heavy for this look. And then I go ahead and just fill in my brows, as always using my ABH powders in Auburn. And I'll hopefully get rid of that concealer or foundation that's lying in my brows. Then I'm going in with the Lily Lolo eye primer to prep and prime the eyes. Then for today's palette, I'm using the Aether Beauty Amethyst palette. So I'm going with the dark shade first, and I'm packing this onto the outer portion of the lid. And I do blend the excess over the entire lid in the end, and I am going to wing it out as well. Just taking my concealer brush just to tidy up slightly and soften everything out. Then I'm going with this beautiful kind of more cranberry metallic shade or purpley shade. And I'm actually packing this onto what I've just done. So I was using that dark shade as like a base and a guideline for the shape I want. And then I'm going over and making it a lot more metallic and give that more purpleness to it. It also just deepens up the outer portion as well quite nicely. And also just making sure that it is nice and blended. And then just using a fluffier brush just to make sure the edges are softer still. Then getting this beautiful purple, which I do believe is the shade Amethyst from this Amethyst palette. And I'm just using my finger to pack this onto the inner portion or the inner third of the lid. Then going in with the more shimmer champagne shade just to add as my inner corner highlight for this look. And then I'm taking the fluffy brush I used to blend everything out, and I'm not adding any extra product to the brush. It's whatever's left. I'm just running it along the lower lash line. I wanted to add something there, but I didn't want it to be too intense and take anything away, so just the excess product is getting popped along there. Then I'm taking the Pure Diamond Dust highlighter to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm using the Benacos eyeliner in blue and popping this into my waterline to add that pop of blue to this look. And then to finish off the eyes, obviously giving my lashes a couple of coats of the Lily Lolo Big Lash Mascara. And all that's left is lips. Now I haven't actually done this combination in quite some time, so it's the Benecos lip liner in brown, which I absolutely love, and then pairing it with the Benecos lipstick in Pink Honey, just to create a really nice pink tone nude with this look. And that does complete this look, so I really hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to do something a bit colourful for today's look, and I wanted to really play with the Amethyst palette again, so I really do hope you enjoyed. Please leave any requests for future videos down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.